Yeah, this one also may not be as competitive as semi-final 1, but it does have the Class 2 400 record holder in it, Jason Pitter, and he will like his chances.
That's St. Jago's Giovanni Finley in lane 8 in lane 7. Yehuda Little from Woolmers in lane 6. Javane Clayton from Calabar. Lane 5, Khalil Archibald from Edwin Allen. Lane 4, the newly minted record holder for the 400 meters, Jason Pitter of Kingston College. He set the National Stadium alight last evening. Lane 3, Davani Jones from Racees. Lane number 2, from St. George's College, Rashawn Dunn. And in lane 1, from Morant Bay High, we have got Jermaine Moore. 21:71, the fastest qualifying time, Khalil Archibald of Edwin Allen, followed by 22:41 by Javane Clayton of Calabar, or 22:02 Little from Woolmers, Peter 22:43.
Woolmers got 2 in the final at Class 3. Can Little join Ross in the final? Finley on the outside from St. Jago is a good sprinter as well, but all eyes, and rightly so, will be on lane number 4. Jason Pitter, the first Class 2 boy to dip below 46 seconds at Champs. Just saw his friend Dwayne Sharp not finish the race just now, but he knows they're in an almighty battle. Kingston College, they need 2 in this final. Higgins, half of the job already done.
Moore, Dunn, Jones, Pitter, Archibald, Clayton, Little, Finley.
Set.
Away they go now. Clean start. Pitter was away well. So too Archibald of Edwin Allen. Calabar's Clayton is in the mix as well. Off the top bend they glide now. Pitter of Kingston College. Alongside him from Edwin Allen, Khalil Archibald. Pitter takes over now from Archibald. Those two into the final. 2 semis out of the way, both won by Kingston College. This one by Jason Pitter in 21.33 seconds over Archibald in 21.50.
Questions answered there for Jason Pitter of Kingston College. After that 45.71 seconds last night to break the 400 meter record in Class 2. All eyes to see what he does here, and he answers comfortable qualification. Eases forward, good running form. Pitter likes to run the first part of his 400 meter races fast, and this is half of that. Gets out. Controlled effort from Pitter, and Archibald Edwin Allen cops the second spot in semi-final 2 for Class 2 boys.
And like Higgs in the first semi-final, he gets a personal best to win semi-final number 2. So Kingston College banking on 16 big points. They have 2 in the final.
Jason Pitter then in 21.33, improving on his previous PB of 21.61. Khalil Archibald at 21.50 into the final as well. And Little